How to make MATHCOUNTS date from chapter invitational. The links to everything are in the description. Sorry that the video came out a bit late since the MATHCOUNTS chapter invitational exam takes place on Friday, and you should already know by now if you have qualified. The top 5 students from each chapter and the next 10 in the state qualify for a state round. Some states are harder than other states. Keep in mind that in some states it is very hard to qualify for state, while in others it is easy. Cutoff for state will vary depending on your chapter. For example, a 36 in Alaska may make state, but a 40 in California may not. Ways to prepare. Taking past state tests and reviewing the answers will help a lot. MATHCOUNTS Trainer will help too. Volume 1, MATHCOUNTS Minis, MATHCOUNTS Problem of the Week, and mock MATHCOUNTS on the AOPS forums. The approximate cutoffs. For most states, above a 40 should be a qualifying score, but for harder states like California, Texas, etc., a 43 or above should be a qualifying score. There is a map on the AOPS forums indicating how difficult each state is. The link's in the description. Remember to have fun. I know I said this in the previous last video. You have also probably heard this a lot, but math competitions are designed to be fun. So don't get stressed preparing for MATHCOUNTS. There are many more important math competitions and this won't be your last. Again, remember to have fun. Thank you for listening. If you found this video useful at all, it would mean a lot if you could like and subscribe to this channel. Best of luck on the MATHCOUNTS chapter invitational.